Good day, I'm Stephen McHugh and this is your JIS News for Friday, January 13. Government will be opening a hospitality school in 2018. The Ministry of Tourism is partnering with professionals from international tourism training institutions to design and develop the school. Cabinet approved arrangements for the establishment of the school on Monday, and the agreement was signed during Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing.
The focus of the institution will be heavily on hands-on. So we will be training for competence as well as for pedagogic.
The tourism minister says the school will train persons for middle and upper level positions and will focus on the 5 strategic areas of gastronomy, knowledge, shopping, health and wellness, and sports and entertainment. It will be constructed alongside a hotel to allow students to have practical experience in the relevant aspects of the industry.
But in addition, we will be partnering with a number of specialized institutions in the world that deliver on elements of the 5 networks.
Professor Emeritus of Management and Tourism Studies at George Washington University, Donald Hawkins, will be leading a team tasked with developing the design of the institution and its programs. At the end of their 50-day term, the team is expected to produce a business plan that will serve as a guide for the establishment of the school. Government has launched a new vehicle management system designed to technologically capture all motor vehicle fitness and driver's license information. That information is currently captured manually at examination depots island-wide. The new system will eliminate the need for paper and duplication of fitness records.
But is also to communicate with other stakeholders across the government structure. Example, the tax administration. We are now going to be in a position to provide information, or better yet, share information, that we can move the public and private sector from the ITA data store.
It will also eliminate and reduce bogus fitness certificates, promote more compliant vehicles on the roads, increase cost savings, and reduce transposition errors. The pilot became fully operational on January 12 at the Swallowfield Island Traffic Authority. It will be rolled out on a phased basis at other locations. Acting Police Commissioner Novelet Grant is urging the more than 200,000 persons who have failed to comply with traffic tickets issued last year to do so. ACP Grant made the call on Wednesday during a press briefing at the Office of the Commissioner of Police. She reported that the police issued over 437,000 traffic tickets in 2016, and to date, only 50% of those issued the tickets have complied.
We are reminding you that you have a legal obligation to pay the fines or go to the court and defend the issuance of such tickets.
There was a 64% reduction in the number of Jamaicans denied entry to Trinidad and Tobago for the period March to December 2016. Foreign Affairs and Foreign Trade Minister Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith made that announcement during a press conference on Wednesday. She said there had also been fewer complaints of mistreatment.
We've received feedback from travelers and through inquiries by our Jamaican High Commission in Port of Spain that there is a generally improved experience at immigration.
Last year, scores of Jamaicans complained about being mistreated by immigration officials at Trinidad's Piarco International Airport after they had been refused entry into the country. Following Trinidad Prime Minister Dr. Keith Rowley's visit to Jamaica in July, an action plan was drafted outlining cooperation programs and activities. Senator Johnson-Smith said that the ministry is pleased with the measures taken by the Trinidadian government in solving the immigration issues. She says the ministry has embarked on a public education campaign to sensitize the Jamaican public on travel within CARICOM countries. And finally, the Hampton High School has been given until January 30 to submit a full report to the Education Ministry regarding the principal's alleged actions outside the St. Elizabeth Parish Court last week. The principal, Heather Murray, was reportedly at the court in support of her friend, who is the wife of a minister of religion accused of sexual abuse of a minor. She has been sent on 2 weeks' leave starting next Monday and is to submit a formal report about her actions to the school board. That decision was taken on Wednesday during a meeting held by Education Minister Roel Reid and senior ministry officials, members of the Hampton School Board, and the Monroe and Dickerson Trust. During the meeting, Mrs. Murray is reported to have tabled an apology. Minister Reid says it's important for her to take this time off for reflection, given how her actions were interpreted and how the controversy has affected her administrative responsibilities. Ahead of the meeting, the minister addressed the serious nature of the allegations made against the 64-year-old minister of religion.
I have personally found the reports very disturbing, and I've been working with Minister Green and with the various agencies to ascertain the facts and to encourage responsible action to see to the protection of the minors involved.
And that's it for JIS News Today. I'm Stephen McHugh. Thanks for watching.